How's it going, everybody? Brian Hoops here, Midwest Market Solutions. It is after the crop report, Thursday, August the 10th. I hope the report has treated you well, but from talking with many producers, traders this morning, it's not gone the way as expected. I thought I'd get on here with a quick update here at the mid-session, kind of give you our thoughts and views on the report and the numbers. We put the numbers out there on Twitter and our audio comments. It's on the website, so you can get all the numbers there. But here's how the reaction is to the report and how I would view things. This could be the bigger corn number that they put here in the fall numbers. I think the trade will look at these numbers and say, hey, these are some big numbers, bigger than expected, especially with crop condition ratings declining. You know, we're at 10-year lows in ratings, but yet the corn yield is expected to be the second largest in record, only behind last year. So something has to give there, and I think the trade is going to assume that the USDA doesn't have much plot data to go off of, and they are going to look at average year or yield numbers and average weights from the crop, and that's certainly not going to be there once we get into the harvest season. So I've had some clients tell me that, hey, they are going to have good yields, but there's a lot of fields that are just going to be terrible for them, a disaster type area, and a lot of variance this year. So good client, a good farmer in the Carroll, Iowa area, talking over 200 bushel corn on one field, but maybe 60 to 70 bushel on another, and just complete matter of where it rained and where it didn't rain. So we're going to be seeing a lot of variance. I think don't reason to panic on this corn market in here. I don't think we fall out of bed in the corn. The beans are a little bit different story. The yields increased from last month, still below last year, but when you factor in the increased acreage, you're going to have the largest soybean crop in history, and weather certainly indicates that it's very possible. I think, bean number could get bigger here unless we get that early frost that some of the forecasters that we follow are talking about. An early frost would hurt bean yields and give us another rally. So I think with the crop insurance guarantee in the springtime of 1017, not a reason to panic. Hopefully, people have had a chance to make some sales or do some marketing, and we're going to outline all these strategies tonight in our webinar. We're going to look at the information from the USDA and give you some marketing strategies to go forward. So if there's one market in here that I would entertain buying on this sharp break, it's Minneapolis wheat. FSA report comes out this afternoon and 2 o'clock, so you won't have a chance to react to it until the overnight trade. By then it could be too late. If you're going to look at buying Minneapolis, 723 is a good support area to buy off of by December, right around that area. That may not either. It depends what the government says, but I think you're going to see some abandonment acres in this afternoon's report. This is purely a speculative play, and you're just hoping for a bullish report. So good luck, and hope that works out. Have a great day. Talk to you again hopefully tonight. This has been Brian Hoops for Midwest Markets.